Gaze upon a land where nature meets history. Welcome to the picturesque landscapes of Serbia. A country where every turn reveals a canvas of breathtaking beauty, steeped in rich historical significance. Serbia is a gem tucked away in the heart of southeastern Europe, where the old world whispers its tales through the wind rustling in the ancient trees, and the rivers carry stories of time past. Today we're taking you on a virtual tour, a journey through some of the most scenic locations this enchanting country has to offer. From the majestic Danube River, curling its way through the landscape like a shimmering blue ribbon, to the mystical Tara Mountain, where the air is filled with the scent of pine and the songs of rare bird species. We'll wander through the historic city of Novi Sad and delve into the mysterious depths of the Resava Cave. Prepare to embark on a mesmerizing journey through Serbia's best scenery. Our first stop, the majestic Danube River, a waterway of historical importance and stunning views. Originating from Germany, it meanders its way through 10 countries, with Serbia being one of its significant passages. This river has been the lifeblood of the region, nurturing civilizations that have sprung along its banks for centuries. The Danube River's importance to Serbia cannot be overstated. It has played a pivotal role in the country's geography, serving as a natural border in some parts, while also providing a navigable route that has facilitated trade and cultural exchange. This river has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of history, and has been the muse for many a poet and artist. But the Danube is not just about history and geography, it's about breathtaking beauty that unfolds as you journey along its course. Imagine serene waters gently flowing, reflecting the azure of the sky and the lush greenery of the land. The river is flanked by rolling hills, their slopes adorned with forests that display a palette of colors with the changing seasons. Every bend and curve of the Danube unveils a new vista, a new spectacle to feast your eyes on. As the river flows through Serbia, it carves out spectacular landscapes, such as the stunning Đerdap Gorge, also known as the Iron Gate. This is the longest and deepest gorge in Europe, a testament to the Danube's might and persistence. The sight of the river cutting through the towering cliffs, against the backdrop of the sky, is a sight that leaves an indelible imprint on one's mind. And then there are the towns and cities that dot the river's path. Places like Novi Sad and Belgrade, where the river's calmness belies the pulsating energy of these vibrant urban centers. The Danube is a silent observer to the life that unfolds on its banks, a life that is as diverse and dynamic as the river itself. From the tranquil waters to the lush landscapes, the Danube River truly is a sight to behold. It is a testament to Serbia's rich history, a symbol of its natural beauty, and a testament to the enduring allure of this majestic waterway. Next, we ascend to the enchanting Tara Mountain, a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Cradled in the heart of Serbia, Tara Mountain unfurls like a verdant tapestry woven with a myriad of colors and textures. This natural marvel is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. As we wander through the dense forests, we're greeted by the silver fir and spruce, their towering forms creating a magnificent canopy overhead. Among the undergrowth, a carpet of wildflowers bursts into a riot of color, painting the landscape with their vibrant hues. But it's not just the plant life that flourishes here. Tara Mountain also hosts a fascinating array of wildlife. The most iconic of them all is perhaps the brown bear, a majestic creature that roams these wild terrains. It's not uncommon to spot lynxes, chamois, and over 100 species of birds, making this place a true paradise for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts. Beyond the natural wonders, Tara Mountain also offers a feast for the eyes with its breathtaking views. Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff, the wind whispering ancient secrets in your ear, as you gaze out over a landscape carved by time and the elements. The panoramic view from the Banjska Stena viewpoint is nothing short of awe-inspiring, offering a sweeping vista of the Drina River and the surrounding mountains. For those with an adventurous spirit, Tara Mountain is a playground waiting to be explored. The mountain's well-marked trails beckon hikers of all levels, promising an unforgettable journey through its enchanting landscapes. Whether it's a leisurely stroll along the riverside, or a challenging trek up the steep slopes, each trail offers its own unique adventure. As we leave the enchanting world of Tara Mountain behind, we take with us memories of a place where the air is fresher, the greens are greener, and the silence is only broken by the sounds of nature. Tara Mountain, a place where adventure and tranquility coexist. Now, let's travel to the historic city of Novi Sad, a perfect blend of urban charm and cultural heritage. Breathe in the rich history of Novi Sad, a city that has stood the test of time. It's a city that has seen empires rise and fall, yet it has managed to preserve its unique character and charm. From its formation in the late 17th century to its modern-day status as a cultural hub, Novi Sad has a tale to tell. The city's architecture is a testament to its storied past. As you wander through the streets, you'll be greeted by a mix of Baroque buildings, Art Nouveau masterpieces, and austere socialist realism structures. Each building, each brick, each cobblestone has a story to tell, a memory to share. One can't talk about Novi Sad without mentioning the iconic Petrovaradin fortress. Overlooking the Danube River, this imposing structure is a symbol of the city's resilience. Once a formidable stronghold, the fortress now serves as a cultural center, hosting various events including the renowned Exit Music Festival. But Novi Sad isn't just about history and architecture, it's a city that pulsates with life. The charming city center, with its vibrant pedestrian streets, bustling cafes and colorful markets, is the heart and soul of the city. The locals, known for their warmth and friendliness, add to the city's allure. Here you'll find a community that celebrates diversity and cherishes its multicultural roots. The city's cultural scene is also worth noting. From its thriving art scene to its lively music festivals, Novi Sad is a city that values creativity and artistic expression. It's no surprise that it was named the European Capital of Culture for the year 2021. It's hard not to fall in love with Novi Sad. It's a city that invites you to explore its winding streets, delve into its rich history, and immerse yourself in its vibrant culture. It's a city that has managed to seamlessly blend the old with the new, the traditional with the modern, the historic with the contemporary. Novi Sad, a city that elegantly combines the old and the new. Finally, we delve into the mysterious Resava Cave, one of the oldest and most beautiful caves in Serbia. Enveloped in the darkness beneath the limestone hills lies this natural spectacle, a subterranean wonder that has been captivating explorers for centuries. The Resava Cave, known locally as Resavska Pesina, is a marvel of geological formations. Born from the slow drip of water over millions of years, the cave is adorned with an array of stalactites and stalagmites, each one a testament to the passage of time. The formations, awash with colors ranging from white to red, create an ethereal landscape that seems to belong to another world. But the Resava Cave is not just about stalactites and stalagmites. The cave also boasts stunning draperies, flowstones, and columns that add to its otherworldly charm. These formations, created by the slow flow of water over the cave walls, give the impression of a frozen waterfall, captured in time and space. And let's not forget the cave pearls, those small, round calcite formations that add a touch of elegance to the cave's rugged beauty. The Resava Cave's history is as fascinating as its geological features. It's estimated to be around 80 million years old, with its decorations formed over a period of 45 million years. It was discovered in the mid-20th century, and since then, it has been a significant part of Serbia's natural attractions. The cave has been carefully preserved, with only 3 of its total length of 4.5 kilometers open to the public. This careful stewardship ensures that future generations can continue to marvel at this natural wonder. The Resava Cave is more than just a cave. It's a testament to the power of nature, a history book written in stone, and a symbol of Serbia's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. So, whether you're a seasoned spelunker or a casual traveler looking for a unique adventure, the Resava Cave is a destination that shouldn't be missed. The Resava Cave, a testament to Serbia's hidden wonders. From the tranquil Danube River to the mysterious Resava Cave, Serbia's scenery is as diverse as it is beautiful. We've journeyed through the resplendent landscapes of this enchanting nation, each location revealing a new facet of its rich natural and cultural heritage. We've marveled at the majestic flow of the Danube River, breathed in the fresh mountain air of Tara, wandered through the historic streets of Novi Sad, and stood in awe of the mysterious wonders of the Resava Cave. Serbia, with its unspoiled beauty and vibrant history, has shown us that it's a destination worthy of any travel enthusiast's bucket list. But our journey doesn't end here. There's a whole continent out there waiting to be explored, and we want to take you along for the ride. Which area of Europe would you like us to cover next? Please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to explore more beautiful destinations around the world. Until next time.